Here's how to speed up your internet connection on Windows using network adapter and DNS optimizations. Open CMD as administrator and run the network optimization commands provided in the video description. These reset your network stack and apply faster TCP settings in one step. Next, open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. If you use Wi-Fi, double-click your Wi-Fi adapter and go to Advanced. Disable all power-saving settings listed in this notepad. Set roaming aggressiveness to lowest and transmit power to highest. Click OK. If you use Ethernet, double-click your Ethernet adapter and go to Advanced. Disable all power-saving settings listed in this notepad. Enable RSS receive side scaling and click OK. Open CMD as administrator again and run the second command from the description, which applies additional network stack optimizations. Finally, open Control Panel, then Network and Sharing Center, and click on your active connection. Select Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Click Use the following DNS server addresses and enter a fast public DNS: Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.0.1. Test both to see which gives better response times from your location. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.